Hello guys, as you know, we are discussing the structured query language. So today we are going to discuss where clause. So we will see that what is exactly the where clause, how we can use it, what is the syntax under this and the queries, and that what are the different operators under these where clause comes out. So we will see today in this full video. See what is exactly the where clause. Where clause is used to filter records. First point says the where clause is used to filter the records. See, in the previous videos we have know that how to use the select commands. Okay, in the select command we use we try to specified column. We try to extract the specified column with their all values, but we want to extract that values. Then we're going to use where clause. Okay guys, so see, it will extract only those records which fulfill the specified condition. See, we have selected the columns in the previous video, but it will give all the values, but we want to extract that particular value on the particular conditions. Then we are going to use where clause. Okay, clear? Now see, what is the syntax? Syntax is select, then column 1, column 2, whatever the column you want to take from that table. You see, you have to enter all those columns. After that, you have to use from that table name, from which table, then where clause. Okay, where clause. See, where clause, in that we have to enter the condition, that particular condition. On that basis, on what basis we are going to select this column with the particular values or particular conditions. Okay guys, it is not only used in select statement. See, this is not only used this select statement. If you think we use the where clause in this, so no, it is not the compulsory that you always use the where clause in select statements. No, it is also used in update, delete and many things. Okay, but it depends. What is the compulsory thing that where we want put some conditions on the data values, on the attribute. That time we will going to use where clause. Okay, it may be select, it may be update, or it may be delete statement, whatever. But remember one thing, when we want to put some condition, then the where clause will comes out. Okay guys, see, let's see two example of two queries. Let's see two queries from this table. There is a table which is table name is employees, and we have three columns: CID, CNAME and the countries with their respective values. Now what is the query exactly? It says select CID and the CNAME. Okay, we have the CID and the CNAME, so it will select only these columns, select CID, CNAME, not country. Okay, in the new table. After that, from employees, the table name, then from where condition, country is equal to USA. It will select what is the condition exactly? It will give you the two columns where the country is equal to USA. Okay, country is equal to US. So there is a USA, not yes. So what is exactly going to be the output? It will give you the CID, CNAME, where the country name is USA. So what will be the output? This one. Okay, this one will be the output 001 John, because it has country name USA. After that, it will give you the 005 with the Smith name, because it will have the country name USA. After that, 006 Wank, because it has the USA name. Not that. It will skip out all these three tuples, but give out only the 001, 005, 006 with their respective names. So guys, this is going to be this query going to the output for you. After that, see, remember one thing in this query, might be I have discussed that, but remember one thing, whenever we going to put any condition on that, if that attribute have the data type character, where character means that consists character or string values, then that condition will have only double quotes. Okay, this value will have under double quotes, remember. Okay, now move to second query. What exactly it going to give us? Select CNAME. See, only we are selecting only the CNAME, that is the customer name or the employee name. Okay, after that, from employees, from which table? Employees, then where clause, CID is equal to 001. That is the condition. Give us the all CNAME, that is customer name, where its CID is equal to 001. So only we have only one row which have we have only one row which have only CID 001, so it will give only John. Okay, John. Why? Because we have selected only CNAME attribute. So in that CNAME, the 001 CID has the only John name. Okay, so we are going to get John, and it will skip out everything because it's only specified, it fulfill all these conditions. According to that, we will get John. Now, as we know, they are the operators like equal to. They are different operators which can be used with these where clause, that is exactly is equal to. We have already used that. After that, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. First, see this. Greater than means that we have specified a particular value, so the value which is greater than that value will be the output from that table. Same for the less than, same for the greater than equal to. It will include that value. What is the difference between greater than equal to or equal to, greater than equal to or greater than? It will skip out that value, but it will include whatever the value I have mentioned there. So same for the less than and equal to. And after that, the main thing is comes out the this symbol. Okay, less than or equal to, greater than, or sorry, less than or greater than equal. Why this? This is equivalent to not equal to. Okay, this is the not equal to symbol. It depends whatever the version, the software you are using, or sometimes it depends also the browser, I think. So it is, it depends on us ki whatever the software, so you have to go through that software and see ki either we are going to use this or this. After the three main operators comes out, that is between, like and in. What exactly between will do? It will give you a range. Okay, a range from this to this. If values match, then give us the output. Like will give you the some pattern of the strings. Like if you want the CNAME which has the name starting alphabet S, so it will give you S as this. Okay, if you give a condition like key, we want all these attributes with all the values where country name starts with the G. Okay, so it will give you the G, or if you want to B, then Berlin, then this. Okay, it depends how you will use. After that, in gives you the more possibilities of matching the word conditions. Like we want the countries like USA and Berlin, then we will going to use in from these value. In matlab from these values. We have to match the condition and give us the output. So in the next video, we are going to use these only four operators in our example with the same table. Okay guys, so this is all about the today where clause. So in the next session, we are going to discuss all these four operators with their examples. So guys, if you like my videos, so please share and like the channel and follow me, and please do follow the playlist which is under the description of this video. So please, it will help out in following the all videos in a sequence manner, because if you don't follow in the sequence manner, maybe some concept or mean any clause, maybe any statement missed out, or you may be okay guys, let's move to next video and take care. Bye. Watch my next video coming soon. Thank you.